Starbucks pumpkin cream cheese muffins. Add your almond flour, coconut flour, sweetener, baking soda, whisk well. I'm making a healthier version of pumpkin cream cheese muffins. So we are done working with the dry ingredients. Let's start working with the wet ingredients. So make sure you use pumpkin puree, eggs, I'm using avocado oil, vanilla extract, and again, whisk well. So now I'm going to add pumpkin pie spice. It brings us good flavor to the pastry. And a pinch of salt. Okay, let's mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Mix it together. So now you can see it looks nice and moist. So now we're going to work with the cream cheese filling. Make sure the cream cheese is softened. So now we're going to add vanilla, sweetener, and just the egg yolk. So now we're going to mix everything together. Now make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees. Now spray your muffin liner with little oil. I'm using ice cream scooper. My ice cream scooper is a small size, so I have to do it twice. And then just use your hand to flatten it. Okay guys, I'm using a round spoon to make a well. Make sure it's deep because that's where the cream cheese filling is going to go. Add your cream cheese. Oh, it's starting to look good. I like it. Okay, so now we're going to finish the rest of the muffin. They're ready to go in the oven. I let these to cool down. And now is the time for taste test. See how good they came out? And let me see how it tastes. Boy, they taste delicious.